Hi! My name is Adam. I'm a little boy who lives in a big city. I have a mom, a dad, and a dog. My dad is a doctor and my mom is a teacher. My dog's name is Buddy. Let me show you a day in my life. It's morning. The sun is shining through my window. I wake up and stretch my arms. I yawn and smile. It's a beautiful day. I can hear birds chirping outside. So I get out of bed and start my morning routine. First, I brush my teeth. Then, I wash my face. After that, I go downstairs to eat breakfast. Mom made milk and fruit for me. Yummy! I eat everything in a few minutes. Then it's time to play. I take my toys and we have so much fun. I also like to color pictures of my family and friends. Look, this one is for my mom. And this one is for my dad. He. I love to make them smile. When the sun is shining, I go to the garden. I run and laugh and chase butterflies. Sometimes I meet my friends. We play ball together and have a great time. I get so tired during the day, but in a good way. You know, when you play a lot, you get hungry. So I go home, eat dinner with my family, and then it's time for bed. I put on my pajamas. My mom reads me a bedtime story. I love when she does the voices of the animals. After that, I brush my teeth again. I don't want to forget, because tomorrow I have a dentist appointment. And the dentist will be so happy to see my clean teeth. Then I lie in bed, hug my teddy bear, and close my eyes. I see the stars twinkling outside my window. I feel so happy and peaceful. It's easy to fall asleep when you have a teddy bear and a roof over your head. And now it's time to say good night. Good night, my friends. Sweet dreams. See you next time.